Hello friends. Welcome to our channel. This video will improve your vocabulary and usage of them in English language. Meaning in Hindi is also written for your better understanding, which will enable you to learn fast and crack any competitive exam. Please subscribe my channel to motivate me to bring up more contents on English language. Video 4. 5 important English word meaning and usage. 1. Quixotic. English meaning: extremely idealistic, unrealistic and impractical. Hindi meaning: vilakshan. Usage: his quixotic dream of building a utopian society seemed impossible to achieve. 2. Halcyon. English meaning: denoting a period of time in the past that was idyllically happy and peaceful. Hindi meaning: dheer. Usage: the couple reminisced about their halcyon days spent by the seaside. 3. Panacea. English meaning: a solution or remedy for all difficulties or diseases. Hindi meaning: Ramaba. Usage: many people believed that the new technology would be a panacea for all their problems. 4. Nefarious. English meaning: wicked, villainous or criminal. Hindi meaning: kutil. Usage: the nefarious activities of the criminal organization were finally exposed by the authorities. 5. Mellifluous. English meaning: of a voice or words, sweet or musical, pleasant to hear. Hindi meaning: madhur. Usage: the singer had a mellifluous voice that captivated the audience. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel to motivate me to bring up more contents on English language.